Presenting a pre-owned 2010 Dodge Ram 2500. This four-door truck has an 8-cylinder, 5.7-liter V8 engine, with four-wheel drive, and an automatic transmission. This Dodge has less than 170,000 miles on the odometer. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Ask to see the free AutoCheck Vehicle History Report. Key features include front air conditioning, airbags, auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, external temperature display, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seat belt force limiters, power door locks, wireless data link, trailer hitch, power windows, rear privacy glass, and power sunroof.